How to enable or disable allow calls on other devices on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Cellular. Then scroll down and tap on Calls on other devices. At the top here, tap on Allow Calls on other devices. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now, when this is turned on, you can use your iPhone cellular account to make and receive calls on other devices signed into your iCloud account when they are nearby and on Wi-Fi. And that's it. So one of the condition is they have to be close by on the same Wi-Fi network, and you also need to use the same iCloud account. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.